Honestly, I have found a lot of articles, a lot of manuscript who tried to, yes, to analyze the impact of COVID-19 on the bladder cancer incidence, stage of diagnosis, and sometimes, but which is yes something more common, also the mortality associated with the impact of the pandemic on bladder cancer. We have tried to do something different because most of the papers are retrospective studies, are single center retrospective studies who started analyzing patients who have been diagnosed with bladder cancer. We try to do something different because a SIR database is basically the only database that allows you to calculate the incidence of the disease, which is different, and it's a kind of data, epidemiologically speaking, which can be defined much more strong, and this is what we did, and we have noticed, and we discovered basically we observed that the incidence during the pandemic was actually lower, which is basically yes consistent with other retrospective studies, and we also found out that the incidence is lower, but especially for non-muscle invasive bladder cancer and low risk non-muscle invasive bladder cancer. So probably the impact of the pandemic in terms of bladder cancer diagnosis, is remarkable, but probably what I will expect, we are running also more analysis on the topic. I don't expect that will impact the mortality of the bladder cancer, honestly. And yes, see, so I mean, we didn't do a mortality analysis in the paper because the problem is that we don't still have enough durable follow-up time. So, but we will see.